We are back. It's Michelle again from The Singing Baker, and today I have another great appetizer for you. I'm doing mini sliders. So hopefully you've had a chance to try out some of the recipes from my channel. I have lots of great choices for appetizers and cocktails that you can make at home when you're having just a fun night or you want to invite some people over. So these mini sliders are going to be tiny little burgers that we're going to make. We have some ground beef here, and I'm going to be adding to it some garlic, red onion, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of liquid smoke, and some salt and pepper. Then we're going to form them into little mini patties. And then I have these fun little rolls that I got. They're very small, bite-sized. And then we're going to put the grilled patties in there and then top it with some bacon that's been cooked, as well as barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite kind, and then top it with some nice coleslaw. It's a Memphis style. So we're done with our burger mixture. And we added garlic, red onion, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of liquid smoke, and some salt and pepper into the mixture. And then I formed them into meatball sizes, and then took each meatball and formed them into patties. I usually can get about 10 to 12 mini burgers out of that mixture, and I will go ahead and put the recipe link down below so that you can check it out. I love to grill this outside usually. However, the weather is not cooperating with me today. It is raining, so I'm going to opt for an indoor grill pan that I can do over the stove. So let's get grilling. I'm gonna dig in now, have a little bite. I love the barbecue sauce. And that little bit of liquid smoke really adds a nice flavor to the burgers. We are also close to Memorial Day coming up, so make sure that you check out my red, white, and blue cocktail. It's a perfect patriotic drink for either Memorial Day, July 4th, or Labor Day perhaps. Nice summertime drink. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.